Introducing the S-19 battery-operated steel strapping tool. To begin, feed the strap around the product and lay over the steel strap as per the diagram. Press the release lever and insert the tool, ensuring correct alignment. Press 1 to begin tension cycle process. Press 2 to cut and seal strap. The green light shows cycle completion. Press lever to release. Use the touch screen for program selection, favorite settings, and tension adjustment. This tool is ergonomic and mobile, allowing for any steel strap application. Reduce user fatigue and improve performance with the S-19.